this is Payal Kapoor, Principal of Delhi Public School Bijnor. I welcome you all to our school, where every step is a step towards a brighter future. Delhi Public School Bijnor is a senior secondary school affiliated to CBSE. All three major streams, science, commerce and humanities, are available at senior secondary level. DPS Bijnor is campus of excellence and a hub of knowledge and growth. Our school boasts a vast lush green campus of 12 acres, which is the largest in Bijnor district. We have more than 1.5 lakh square feet constructed area, providing students with a conducive environment for both learning and recreation. With our state-of-art facilities, we are committed to nurturing young minds. As we say, safety is a top priority. Ensuring seamless connectivity, our school offers air-conditioned transport equipped with GPRS tracking. Parents can track the live location of our buses from their mobile phones. CCTV cameras are also installed in every bus. Our dedicated team of nannies provide nurturing care, ensuring a comfortable and supportive atmosphere for our students. Our campus is secured with more than 250 CCTV cameras covering every single corner of the school. Concertina wires on the boundary wall ensures no unauthorized entry or exit from the school campus. School has an equipped infirmary with trained and qualified nurse for the first aid and emergency needs. These steps reinforce our commitment for a secure and monitored environment for everyone within our school community. We believe in the power of seasoned educators who can guide and inspire students on their academic journey, and for this, we have our team of dedicated, qualified and experienced teachers hailing from different parts of India who are heart of our academic success. We have accommodation facility called DPS Heavens for our staff within our school campus. Our educators bring diverse perspectives to the classroom. To stay ahead in the ever-evolving education landscape, our teachers receive regular training from the Human Resource Development Center in Greater Noida, which is headed by retired principal of DPS RK Puram, Mrs. Vanitha Sehgal. Teachers of DPS Bijnor have received more than 200 trainings on various topics and subjects in both online and offline formats. This commitment to professional development ensures that our educators are equipped with the latest teaching methods and techniques.
Hello everyone, this is Divyanshi Singh, a student of grade 8 from Delhi Public School Bijnor. It is an immense pride to be a DIP site and give you a sneak peek into our incredible school. A school where knowledge blossoms, curiosity thrives and dreams take an endless flight for the possibilities. So, let's dive in and explore the magic together.
Our spacious and beautiful classrooms make an ideal place for learning, equipped with smart classes and high-speed internet. All our classes are truly new age. Our library is a magical place filled with books. It's not just shelves, it's a journey into different worlds where stories come alive and knowledge grows. Ours is not a silent library. Rather, we engage in discussions about stories, organize book reviews, we rewrite the stories with a different ending. We make bookmarks and book covers for our books. Now coming to my personal favorites, artificial intelligence, robotics and coding labs, where we create the future. We are proud to be the first and only school in Bijnor to have artificial intelligence, robotics and coding labs, where we learn to code, design and bring our futuristic ideas to life. It's like being a mini inventor. Our young innovators from grade 3rd onwards get the exposure to cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing, artificial intelligence, chatbots, etc. Our well-stocked robotics lab has all the material for our need. We have made mobile apps, games, radars, smart glasses, parking sensors, obstacle removers, and the list is endless. Our school is truly making us future ready in this fast changing world. Our interdisciplinary curriculum from nursery itself integrates science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics together in a super fun way. It's like solving puzzles and unlocking the secrets of the universe. And the best part is, we do not have to roam around in the market for anything. Our teachers bring everything in their classrooms for each one of us. We make these projects in school and take them home. All our STEM-based projects are integrated with our books and the chapters that we study. Our education is truly based on learning by doing concept. Now, let's explore our science labs, physics, chemistry and biology. It's where we learn the practical aspects of life. The best part about our labs is that we visit them from the primary classes itself. All the labs are well equipped and well maintained, meeting all the requirements of the curriculum. We do fun experiments and discover the wonders of the world. We have our very own radio station which gives us the opportunity to be the radio jockeys. We become the cool voices of our school, sharing stories, music and news that keep us all connected and buzzing with excitement. Next up is our news channel where we, students, turn into reporters to take sound bites and interviews whenever any event happens in the school. It's like having a very own newsroom filled with exciting updates. Bonjour everyone! Ours is the only school in Bijnor to have French as an additional language. We get to dive into the world of French language and culture from a young age of class 3rd onwards. Our French faculty teaches us French not just for school curriculum but also for Olympiads and French embassy exams. We have achieved national ranks in some of these French language exams and competitions. We all have different hobbies, isn't it? Some of us like cooking, some are into sports, while others like calligraphy. From dance, music, reading, debating, theatre to yoga, we all have different interests, and our school has found a unique way to cater to each one of us individually by making clubs. We get to choose the club we want to be a part of. We learn and explore our hobbies in greater depth. It's like a treasure trove of cool activities. Not just that, club periods are also an opportunity for us to hone our social skills as it brings juniors and seniors in the same classrooms. We learn from each other and make friends beyond our classrooms. Our 12-acre campus has a myriad of sport facilities from football, cricket, basketball, badminton, taekwondo, skating, rope skipping to table tennis, chess, kho-kho and carom. We have it all. Not just that, we have our own shooting range. We are the only school in Bijnor to have archery as a sport. And guess what? We can brag about a bunch of amazing achievements in national and state level championships. As a part of the prestigious DPS group, we also get the opportunity to participate in various competitions organized by different DPS branches. These competitions are a part of literature, dance, music, sports, movie making, environment protection, debates, and more. We get the exposure of participating in different competitions organized by schools like DPS Mathura Road, DPS Meerut, DPS Bareilly, DPS Varanasi, and DPS Aligarh. We become confident and learn the art of networking when we make friends from different schools. DPS Network enables us to come out of our cocoon and meet people from different states, nationalities and cultures. Our learning is not just restricted to our classrooms and go far and beyond. We have free of cost field trips to give us real life exposure. Our pre-primary kids went to shopping mart and plantation nursery. Similarly, field trips were organized for senior students to trophy factory, police station, poly house, post office, passport office, bank, Palom industry and sugar mill. These trips helps us to become more aware as a citizen and at the same time instill entrepreneurial spirit in us right from the early age. But wait, our little learners have the most fun. Pre-primary students have an eventful year. Quite literally, we celebrate Mother's Day and Father's Day to instill thankfulness and gratitude towards our parents. Not just that, our elders in the family, our grandpa and grandma are also honored and thanked on Grandparents' Day. Our school auditorium has a different aura when our grandparents fill it with laughter and joy. Not to forget the most awaited graduation day for UKG students, which mark the culmination of their journey as pre-primary students. Donning the graduation caps and gowns, UKG stars shine bright as they step into the world of formal schooling. DPS Bijnor boasts a dedicated Montessori room designed exclusively for pre-primary students. Within this vibrant space, children engage in holistic learning across 4 essential domains: sensorial, arithmetic, language, and practical exercises. This specialized environment fosters a hands-on approach nurturing the comprehensive development of young minds. At DPS Bijnor, the Montessori room is a cornerstone for laying a strong foundation for lifelong learning. DPS Bijnor pioneers education by integrating augmented reality (AR) technology into their pre-primary curriculum. Going beyond traditional methods, the AR lab provides an immersive experience for students, allowing them to witness animals, trees, vegetables, etc. come to life in the classrooms. Here at DPS Bijnor, we get to participate in various competitions like Model United Nations, where we, the students, take the role of ambassadors of different countries and discuss an issue of international importance. We debate and put forward the view of the country we represent. We indulge in diplomacy, negotiations, drafting of resolutions, and voting. Similarly, mock parliament competitions enables us to act like our legislators and debate on national issues and laws. We follow all the rules and procedures of a parliament. What could be a better way to learn political science? Our creative expressions takes a new height when we participate in AdMat competition, where we make an ad for a product of our choice. Marketing is a booming career option, and we learn it at this age itself. Our school organizes quiz competitions every month on different subjects like mathematics, English, science, social science, heritage, general awareness, etc. Our quiz tables have inbuilt buzzers and light, taking our quizzing experience to the next level. Our School Fest Ignite is an ideal opportunity to participate in the competitions of our choice. We get to choose from a wide range of competitions like Shark Showdown, where we discuss our business ideas, Mindful Dilemma, where we offer solutions to real-life problems, Logo Craft, where we make a logo for our company, and the list goes on. Our school organizes a bunch of workshops from Good Touch and Bad Touch for junior students to getting tips on acing board exams for seniors. Workshops on profile building and career counseling are conducted by expert trainers. We get to know about various career options and what we can do at this age to pursue the career of our interest. Workshops on cyber security and communication skills also helps us in developing much needed life skills. Our school also runs an emotional wellness program where a trained counselor and a psychologist guides the students on topics like stress management, exam anxiety, anger issues, peer pressure and depression.
With a commitment to excellence, DPS Bijnor orchestrates a symphony of learning, cultivating young minds into poised intellects and compassionate leaders. Beyond classrooms and textbooks, DPS Bijnor is crucible of diverse talents, where we forge not just academic success, but a kaleidoscope of various skills, which illuminate our path to a bright future. We take pride in being a DIP site and being a part of large network of more than 220 plus top quality schools.
I invite all the parents, students and well-wishers to come and visit our campus and see the difference. Our focus here at DPS Bijnor is on brain development of our children and discourage rote learning and memorizing. DPS Society has a legacy of 75 years and DPS Bijnor proudly takes it forward and beyond.